Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here at our latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today, we're back in Ridgeway, Ontario, 3390 Grove Avenue, and this one is a cute little bungalow. We got 2+2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept. It's on a corner lot, main floor laundry, rec room, nicely landscaped, double concrete driveway, and the bonus, a 10-15 minute walk to the beautiful shores of Lake Erie. Let's have a look at this one upstairs.